Jai Srimanarayana. Ninth sloka of third chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yajñārdhāt karmanonyatra lokoyam karma bandhanaha tadardham कर्म कौन्तेया मुक्तसंगः समाचर ओम. Do your work in the spirit of service of Paramatma and for the sake of Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that everyone should surrender to him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall do my work as your service. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that Parikshin Narendra, Amsuman, in the process of searching for Sagara Maharaju's Asvamedha horse, he reached one huge mountain like Bhasmam. There he found that horse, and also he has seen Kapila Mahamuni, who is an incarnation of Sri Mahavishnu. Then Amsuman immediately did namaskaram and started praying like this: O Deva, you are Sakshat Paramatma, na pasyati tvam param atmanaha ajanaha na buddhyate. How much ever tapasya anyone does cannot realize your original nature. And even great yogis also cannot realize your nature. Then how can we realize, as we were just produced by Chaturmukha Brahma, who is produced by you? Bhagavan, we are always able to perceive only the external shapes, body shapes. We do not know the internal tattvam. Only you are realized by such a great yogis like Sananda. Hey Bhagavan, you are the one who, in order to give jnanam, knowledge, wisdom to this lokam, you will come in different forms. You are such Purana Purusha, you are eternal one. In this world, all the jivas, all the souls, they are after all these mundane pleasures, and they will be under the illusion that they are the body and they just want these mundane pleasures. Now, after having your darshanam, that illusion is gone in me. Bhagavan Jnanopadeshaya Gruhita Deham Namamahe Tvam Purusham Puranam. You are the one who came down in different forms to give jnanam to this lokam, like Bhagavad Gita and other scriptures. Such, O Purana Purusha, I am doing namaskaram to you. Like that, Amsuman praying Kapila Mahamuni, who is an avataram of Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 9th sloka. Yajñārdhāt karmanonyatra lokoyam karma bandhanaha tadardham karma kaunteya mukta sangas samachara. Yajñārdhāt karmanonyatra lokoyam karma bandhanaha tadardham karma kaunteya mukta sangas samachara. Srimannārayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannārayana.